finally did it. I hit the level of influencer that I can get Tidal Hair to send me a hair package. I'm so excited. I have wanted to try Tidal Hair for so long. Their hair wavers that have been sweeping the internet by storm. I have wanted to try, and I have one in my hands, and I can't believe it. As you guys know, my TikTok has taken off quite a bit. At the filming of this video, I'm just about to hit 80,000 80,000 followers, which is mental. Absolutely. I haven't really mentioned, like, a lot of you follow me on TikTok as well, and you'll see the success on there, but it's just really scary and overwhelming because it's a lot. It's a lot. But it's great because it gives me opportunities like this where I can review stuff like this. And I've wanted to have one of these in my hands for so long. Look at the girl's hair. Like, my hair is naturally curly anyway. You can see how, like, natural it is. But, like, I want this. And I used to chase this all the time until, like, I've left my hair kind of recently to let it, like, have its own little journey. Honestly, I used to want hair like this all the time, and I would plait my hair all the time, and it's just so good. And I just can't believe it. So, guys, thank you all for subscribing and following, because I got to get given this. But I will still give an unbiased review, because that's what we do here. Doesn't matter if someone sends it to us for free. We're going to still do a good review on this. But this is for big, beautiful waves. Our game-changing Tidal hair waver will give you big, beautiful waves with its larger triple barrels. It's got a heat protection glove. High-grade ceramic barrels. Great for smoothing out hair and reducing frizz. Holds heat well and encourages even heat distribution as well. So let's open her up. Let's see what we have in store for me today. Even though, like, oh, we've fallen down. Our camera's fallen down. Okay. The camera's, all right, the camera's here now. All right, so this is what we have here. Got our little manual. We've got a heat protection glove, and we've got the actual hair barrel curler itself in all of its glory. The mermaid waver. Hell yeah, this is terrifying. But, let's do it. Let's turn her on. She's got a little stick thing, so I think that's really cool. A nice long cord. And it's got a screen here as well, which I think is going to help out. All right, so I've put heat protectant in my hair. It says it's off, so we're going to turn it on. It says it's at 180 degrees. I'll just set it at 180 and just kind of do that. I'm kind of overwhelmed. How the hell do I use this? There is no instructions. I should use the heat protectant glove. I should be using that because I'm scared that I will die if I don't. So, yeah. I don't know what hand to put it on. Assuming the hand that doesn't hold the waver. That would be smart. All right, so we're going to work on this together. I'm like, I can't feel if it's... Okay, it is heating up. It is heating up. So, yeah, how it works is, I guess, your hair goes into these barrels and you kind of clamp it along as you go. I don't know how much hair to put into it. It's just going to be, like, process of elimination. I'm just so stoked to be trying this, guys. Like, I've been wanting to try this for ages, and it just looks really, really nice. So, I'm going to actually... Well, you can swap hands for each size. Sorry. All right, let's get this bit. And I'm just going to start with, like, just kind of... Because I assume you just clap on each end. And just kind of go like this. If you have a lot of hair like me, this probably is going to be a long process. But, like, hey, I feel like it'll be worth it once you've done it. Oh, it's working. I don't know how long I meant to hold it on for. Oh, my hair is feeling hot now. Okay. Starting to sizzle. Okay. All right. Okay. I see. We've kind of got it going here. All right. So I'm going to set this down because, look, she's got a little holder here. I'm just going to swap hands because I want to do the other side. I'm so scared that it's going to, like, drop on my leg and, like, sear me on fire. So we're going to get the other hand here. I'm just kind of going to do this side because I feel like that'll be easier. It is easy to hold. It's like kind of sizzling with that stuff. I'm just going to hold this bit out here. And then you just kind of move it down. So a strenuous process, but definitely worth it in the end to get your waves that you're going to get. Beautiful little, like, beach waves. You can kind of, like, pull it through. And just hold it, I guess, there for like 5-10 seconds. Oh, that's cool. Okay. My hair's, like, already kind of wavy, so it's like hard to tell if it's working, but I can tell that it's working because my hair's not normally that curly at the top. It's normally just at the ends. Okay, I'm just gonna set that there. I'm sure that you could like intertwine your hair into more of the barrels, because I'm just kind of doing almost like one barrel at a time here. So I need to like switch up my tactic, I feel. I can already see it working at the top. Oh my God, that's insane. Oh my God, dude, that's so crazy. All right, I need to get like, let's get like a test strand here. This one looks pretty shitty. So, oh, it's real close to my face. Just kind of hold it here for a little minute. See what happens. Do you see that? They did not have that curl there before. Oh my God. Okay, let's do the ends of it. Like, at least you can hold the ends and these aren't hot. It's like your safety ends. Whoa! Alright, let's try the top again. I want to hold it for a little bit longer. Because, yeah, I can feel that's hot through the glove, but this is not hot. So you could hold this and be safe. This is cool. Okay. I'm like, what if I just did my fringe? And I'm scared. I don't think I can get my fringe in here. Oh. I'm scared. Ha! Ha! Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's really ugly. Oh. Okay. We can see that. Wanted to work there. Right. Let's just, where's another bit? Where's like a straighter bit we can do this with? This is so fun. I'm like, oh. Okay. Very time consuming, but very cool. And you can get the waves. The waver. I'm going to hold up here and then move down. Look how wavy that is already. Dude, I'm getting the waves, but it's all over my hair. Like, look at the difference. Like, you can see there, the waves compared to there. It's not so wavy. Oh, kind of looks the same almost. No, but that's the bit I did though. That's the bit I did, the test bit. So, I don't know. Let's just put all my hair in and just kind of see what happens. Just fries all off. Just get in there. I can see it's making a difference. On camera, it looks like it's not. But I swear to you it is. Get like the ends. Because you know when you plait your hair in that the ends never frickin' wave. So I'm going to put the ends in right now. Fry them all off. No, I put heat protectant, so it should be okay. Ah! The ends are curly! Oh my God. Because look at the ends here. They're so shit. Alright, hang on. Let's put the ends of this in. Oh. There we go. Ends are in. Oh, that's so cool though. And they're so curly, the ends. So this would work if your hair was already wavy as well. Yes! There's some curl! Oh my God, okay. I am obsessed with this thing. And I'm going to put it on the other hand now. This heat protectant glove is really good though because I am feeling it. I can feel that there's heat coming through. It's 180 degrees, but it's not burning my hand. So that's what we love here. Alright, I'm scared to do the yellow bit because she is porous. But hey, for the video, let's do it. Fuck it. My fringes look so fluffy now. Okay, move this down. Because my fringe almost never waves. Not my fringe, the yellow almost never waves because of how damaged it is. So it'll be interesting if this actually waves it. No shit! Look, see look. The yellow underneath, see how it just doesn't wave? Like naturally. Oh my God, okay. 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 I'm excited. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's crazy. Oh, it's definitely doing something. All right, I'm gonna turn this off now. Slightly scary. But it works really amazing. Like I am absolutely, just gonna leave that there. It's still turning off. Take off the little hee glove. I'm actually really amazed with how well that worked out, especially for this blonde bit as well, or the yellow bit if you would rather. The yellow bit just never ever naturally curls because of how damaged the hair is. It's the same, it's a different texture to the ginger and everything because all this ginger is natural, just the blonde at the ends. That's why my ends don't curl naturally because they are fried and it's bleach. But all of this, that's all natural, so that has a nice natural curl to it. So it's really great that I can use this wave to match pretty much the waves I've already got there. I can match the bottom and match the side there, and it all looks even and cohesive. Like, I really, really like that. I don't like that what it did to my fringe. I don't know what's happening. It's weird on my face now. I'm very aware of my fringe all of a sudden because of how it went. But this is really, really good. Like, it's nice. It went on real lovely. I'm like, seeing if it's hot, how long it takes to slow down. It's really, really cool, and it does have that wavy effect as well. It probably would take a bit longer if you sectioned your hair off. It would take a lot less time, but is it worth the price point? I think definitely it is. It is worth the price point. I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me, because that makes it sound like, oh, you're just saying because they sent it to you. No, it does exactly what it set out to do. It wants to give you that like long, beautiful waves, and it does. Like, it does give you those beautiful waves. Like, you can see there, it waves the ends. Like, even just really porous, damaged hair, it still does it. And my hair is still really freaking strong, so it hasn't damaged it that way. Imagine if it had. It'd be so funny. But yeah, I added these cute little like flowers to it, and it's really pretty. I'm really happy with the results and how it does look so natural as well, because it kind of has led to this bottom bit. You would know I actually did it with the hair like this, so no big deal. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video with the Tidal hair waver. If you guys want any tips and tricks on how to use it, I'm sure that I will do some more on my TikTok. If you want me to do more sectioned bits, try and get smaller bits as well, because obviously with the amount of hair you're putting in is how much the curl is going to be. But you can see how it literally has been sectioned off my hair because of the sections I've put it in. So I think it's worked really well. It's done what it said. I think definitely worth the price point because it does what it says it's going to do. And that's what you really want when you're buying a product and the product's telling you it's going to do something. You want that product to do what it's doing. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thanks so much, Tidal, here for sending this to me. Really, really cool. And now I feel like a true influencer. I just want to thank all my fans, myself for doing it myself, and more importantly, you guys. Until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah, mwah, bye.